I am. It is already done. Done and dusted. That is how you change. You take the new photograph of yourself in your mind, that image, that successful image. You emotionalize that and you put it in the already so category. I am already a wonderful senior clerk. I am so happy and grateful that I am a senior clerk. That's what you do. You go, I am so wonderfully happy that I weigh 70 kilograms. Sure, you're still 90 kilograms, it doesn't matter. It will become so because you have overwritten your old code. Now you are applying the positive stuff onto the old paint. And then it will not peel off slowly over time again. This time it will be permanent because we're doing it in the correct manner. Now, the other thing about personalizing your affirmations, you need to make them very, very emotional. We react upon emotions. We live an emotional, full life. We are made up of what a friend of mine referred to as messy emotions. Now, the thing to do is to let those emotions work for you, not against you. So you use the positive emotions of like happiness, of joy, of gratification, of yes, man, I made it. I am so now. It's already done. So you take all of that and you combine them. So you personalize, number one. Number two, you make it so. It is already done. Number three, you make it very, very emotional. Number four, you need to be in the correct state of mind to receive your affirmations. You can look at my channel. There is a video about getting you into a state like that. Once you're in a state like that, I would suggest that you do affirmations thrice daily, in the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening. And this is not going to take you a lot of time. It's literally 5 to 10 minutes per session. So you're looking at maybe at most half an hour of your day that you need to spend on your personalized affirmations.